Well, here's a very rare car. This is a 2008 Chevrolet Corvette Indianapolis 500 pace car. This is number 442 out of 500 built that year. It's a 3LT coupe, and it is a very desirable car. This car is black silver on the exterior, ebony gray on the interior, and under the hood you'll find a 336 horsepower LS3 engine with 6-speed automatic paddle shift transmission. Factory features include the $4,505 3LT Preferred Equipment Group. This, of course, includes the heads-up display, memory package, tilt and telly, dual power heated sports seats with airbags, universal garage door transmitter. This car also has the Indianapolis 500 Pace Car Package. Bose CD, XM, MP3 stereo with navigation and steering wheel controls. It has those chrome Gumby wheels. It has the Z51 Performance Handling Package, the Performance Axle Ratio, Dual Mode Exhaust, OnStar, HID headlights, fog lamps, keyless entry and start, dual zone electronic climate control, electric rear hatch pull down. It has power wind. Well, everything on this car is power. It has cruise control, ABS, traction control, active handling. It comes with a clean Carfax, and as you see, it's loaded with options. And this is a rare 2008 Indianapolis 500 pace car and shows just 32,484 miles. It's in very nice condition, and as we said, this is number 442 out of the 508 pace cars built. The paint is in very good condition, has a great shine, and has those factory chrome Gumby wheels that are in place and look great. The interior of the 2008 Corvette Indianapolis 500 pace car shows very good factory leather seats, door panels, very good to excellent center console and steering wheel. And additions to this car include the mesh fender vent grills and front and rear WeatherTech mats. This also has an AMTIFO backup camera, and it's screen mounted to the center console. This car features a corrosion-free subframe. It's ready to go. Give us a call here at buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia, and we have, you can't believe the inventory of Corvettes we have here, but we make buying online something you can do with ease and confidence. We ship nationwide. We even ship worldwide. So be sure to check out the pricing on this car and more detailed pictures by clicking the link right below this video, and it will take you to our website so you can look more in depth about this car. Check it out. Give one of our sales representatives a call at 770-414-5552. Remember, we're buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We want to be your ultimate Corvette buying experience. See you real soon.